model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC PRIMASTAR 29001.6 CDTI L2H1 spare OR repairs ULEZ compliant grin trader margin open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 100676. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine seized, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,